Hello everyone. Now we discuss the continuation of the binary operations which we have discussed in the last interactive classes. Up to question number 8 we have finished. Now we will discuss about question number 9. So here we have to check the commutative and associativity of the given below. In that first one is A star B is equal to A minus B. We have to check the commutative and associative of this. So they are defined on a set of rational number. It is given as a set of rational number. So all the problems were defined on a set of rational number only. If A star B is equal to A minus B, whether it is a commutative. Yes, for commutative, A minus B, is it same as B minus A? Whether A minus B same as B minus A, so it is not commutative. With respect to an example we can give 2 star 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 star 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. So 2 star 3 not equal to 3 star 2. Therefore star is not commutative. Now associative. So if I consider the three elements 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 belongs to set of rational numbers. 2 star 3 star 4, I just find out the 2 star 3 star 4. What is 2 star 3? Already we have got it is minus 1 star 4. So A star B means it is A minus B. A star B means A minus B. This minus this. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4. So it is minus 5. Like this 2 star 3 star 4. What is 3 star 4? 3 star 4 is 3 minus 4. So this 2 as it is. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Is this minus this? 2 minus of minus 1. So it is plus 3. They are not equal. 2 star 3 star 4 not equal to 2 star 3 star 4. So it is enough for saying that star is not associative. Star is not associative. Now second one. In the ninth the second one, A star B is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square is same as B square plus A square. Means it is also called B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. Star is commutative. For associative, as A star B star C, is it same as A star B star C? That we have to check. The examples we are going to show that they are not actually, it is not equal, it is not associative. Okay. Take an example 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 belongs to rational numbers. What is 2 star 3 star 4? 2 star 3. A star B means A square plus B square. So 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 star 4. This is 2 star 3. 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9, which is 13. 13 star 4. Means 13 square plus 4 square. 13 square plus 4 square. 169 plus 16, which is equal to 185. 169 plus 16, 185. Next 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star as it is. 3 star 4 means 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So 3 square is 9, 9 plus 16 it is 25. 2 star 25 means 2 square plus 25 square. 4 plus, so 25 square is 625. So 25 square is 625. So 625 plus 4, 629. they are not equal. So therefore 2 star 3 star 4 not equal to 2 star 3 star 4. This example is enough for saying the star is not associative. Next, third one. A star B is equal to A plus AB. See, every time you have to remember the definition of commutative and associative. Commutative means A star B is equal to B star A. Whether we get A star B equal to B star A, actually not, because A star B means A plus AB, B star A means B plus BA. AB is same as BA, but we are adding A plus AB we get. So in the second that we get B plus BA. So it is not equal. With the example also we can say commutative. 2 star 3, I take 2 star 3. What is 2 star 3? 2 plus 2 into 3. It is 6, which is 8. What is 3 star 2? 3 plus 3 2 0. Or else we can write one more step. It is 2 into 3, which is equal to like this. So it is 6 plus 2, 8. So it is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is same as 2 into 3. It is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So therefore it is not equal. 2 star 3 not equal to 3 star 2. Therefore star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Next, associative. Two star 3 star 4. Now we'll discuss about the associative. 2 star 3 star 4. Let us consider the elements 2 3 4 belongs to rational number. We'll find the 2 star 3 star 4. What is 2 star 3? 2 star 3 already we have got, it is 8. So 2 plus 6 we can write like this, star 4. It is 8 star 4. 8 star 4 means 8 plus 8 4 is 32. Answer is 40. Next, 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star as it is. What is 3 star 4? 3 plus 3 12. So 3 4 is 12. So it is 2 star 15. So 2 plus 15 to it is 30. 2 plus 30, which is 32. So 32 is not equal to 40. So therefore we can say 2 star 3 star 4 not equal to 2 star 3 star 4. So it is enough for saying that star is not associative. Star is not associative.